Welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a walkthrough the 99-cent store for the Valentine's area. Right away, I saw a mama bag, $2.99. The feeling of this mug is actually really soft and like silicone on the outside. This walkthrough is going to be really small because I'm only checking the Valentine's area, and also because I'm actually kind of in a hurry and need to fly. But look at this. Remember, 99-cent store is not just 99 cents. It's above and beyond 99 cents. But look at this. They have very different things that you would find, let's say, in your Dollar Tree. This is a little area. All those little plushies up there remind me of Squishmallows, like that cat that I'm going to show you, Princess Cat. But I think they were $4.99. Right here, they're heart-shaped glasses. Those were 99 cents. The little rainbow shirt actually was for dogs. Then you have your little area for like decorating cupcakes or more flower things, tents, and more mugs up there, tumblers, kitchen mittens and pot holders. And then I saw this other mug, yellow inside. You are love. I don't know how much it was. I didn't have a price, I don't think. And then this one, hot stuff. Those two mugs were really nice. On the third one too. All those four mugs I've showed you. $2.49. And then again the Echo thing mug. You can see I put it in my basket. Then you have the little goodie bags, and signs and puffy things and pillows. Their sign area was kind of sad. There was a smaller version of the other ones I saw over there. See, $2.99 I believe it said. Those mugs had a little plush inside. Tabletop decor that looked like I feel like a carpet. $3.49. Rainbow wood. It was wood, but carpet on the front. Then your section for your candy. Excuse my nail. I was recording in my phone. I was trying to record like other people wouldn't see me. And then I saw that. Would have been nice if it wasn't broken. You put a little light under, a little candle, and melt your chocolate. Then your huge plushes. I think they were $9.99. Then I saw the Easter area, which I thought it was cute. I saw the bunny like wreath, $5.49 I think it was, or $4.49, with the little headband, the flowery headband. That it was cute. Then you have your bunnies up there. I'm kind of skimming through this one just for you to see for the Easter area. I think they had more stuff for Easter than they had for Valentine's, to be honest. And you're crafting your egg coloring, which eggs right now are very expensive. And look at that little bunny, little glass things. Did you saw that with the bunny ears? I didn't find those with the hearts on the Dollar Tree. And then they have a little garden area, which was well stocked as well. Just gonna skim through it for you because there wasn't much of Valentine's things to show you, and I was there already. Look at, they had a toucan, $2.99. My nails, get away. And then those were metal little ladybugs for $1.49 I think, or $1.99. They were cute. Too expensive I think. $1.99. They should stay $1. Then I saw that ladybug pot, $1.49 I think, or $1.99, and the little gnome, $3.99. It holds water in the little thing. Look, this is the jars that I was talking about. $1.99. They have the hearts over there in the Dollar Tree. Then I saw this little gnome, like for $2.49. Expensive. You know the theme of the. If you saw my Hobby Lobby walkthrough, you can see they had a section for bees, and those go well with that. $2.49 for little ones, kind of expensive. It should stay $1. Then I saw the kid crafts or school area. I saw that little thing there for $3.99, 9-piece sketching set, and coloring area. Oh, I like those pins with the ABCs, good for practicing with your kids. And that's the sewing area, glitters, and boards. I go back to the school area just to skim through, see if I find something new, but I didn't see anything, to be honest. Then I saw that Frida Kahlo clock in for $4.99, the wall clock. They had the real Frida Kahlo, and then that reminds me of the Coco, the movie Disney's movie. Kind of it looked like that. Then we have the frame area. I saw the utensil clock. I didn't see the price. Oh, but that is all that I have for you guys today for the walkthrough through the 99-cent store. I gotta go. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.